Okay guys, here we have the camera at one position. Position number 2. This is the real link quality. Zoomed in a little bit. And finally, this will be our probably resting position where we keep the real link camera. So, overall, we're happy. Hello my friends and welcome back. Today we're checking out Real Link's security camera. So go ahead, download their app. You can get it on Google Play or Apple Store. It's Real Link app. This is a 32 gigabyte, speeds up to 100 MB. So check this out my friends. They give you the adapter for sticking in your computer or into a different camera. So you can put this SD card in your GoPro or any camera. And so first up, we're checking out the SD. So this is micro SD, micro SDHC, micro SDXC adapter. Up over here, let's check out the fast charging port. So this is a Type-C smart charging port. You can go ahead and read the back if you'd like. Just pause the video. So this just plugs in your outlet, and then you plug in your Type-C cable. We already got it downloaded because I love Real Link products, so we use their cameras all the time. Give you a little pamphlet, how-to guide. Got the signal antenna, brackets, power cable, strap, screws. Here's the camera itself. Full 360-degree rotation. You can charge it through there. On and off switch is in here to turn it on. You're going to want to do that for pairing. I highly recommend you pair everything right now before you install it. Solar panel. Make sure you take off this plastic. So as you can see, you got plenty of length. They also give you a nice long tower bracket for mounting, and screws for that as well. Alright, let's go ahead. So you'll want to power this on. Make sure you power that on. It should turn red right there, and it's turning on. If it doesn't, then go ahead and plug in your charger and charge it inside your house with the USB.
SIM card cannot be recognized. Please insert the SIM card correctly and restart the camera.
So guys, for this one, you're going to have a nano SIM card. Please keep that in mind. For this to work, you need to have a nano SIM card. We're adding our device as we speak. Check out the manual and the listing. If you have any questions, I recommend you contact them at Real Link, but the listing should go over all that stuff for the nano card, because that's a lot to get into, but we're just going to show you guys the function. We're going to go ahead and I'm going to install this and jump right to showing you guys the footage. But it is simple for the solar panel. You just open this port up here and you connect the panel inside here just like this, and then you run the solar panel wherever you would like. Let's see, this is going to be for your camera, this mount, and it's simple. You just thread this on. Actually, you're going to want to connect your solar panel after you do that, but so you go ahead, thread this on, and then just thread it on tight, and then you can position it wherever you want. This pops right off. You just pull it back, pop it on if you need to. That positions, you can screw it in, put your panel in, and go from there. This is for your panel. Everything just threads in. They make it really easy for you to do. So we're gonna go ahead, set it up. I'm gonna show you what the footage looks like. That way you guys know. And your antenna just simply threads right in on the back. And that's how it will look. Depending on how you have it mounted, where you have it mounted, that's going to be up to you, your position, wherever you want to have it mounted at. Okay guys, here we have the camera at one position. I'm going to move it to different locations so you guys can get different lighting in different positions on the Reolink camera. Position number 2. This is the Reolink quality. Zoomed in a little bit. And finally, this will be our probably resting position where we keep the Reolink camera. So, overall, we're happy.